the last 3 lessons, we were working on the sense of balance, the sense of movement, and then the sense of life. And we were working on the elements. And with the elements, we were working on the sense of, the element of warmth, fire. Then we were working on the element of air. Then we were working on the element of water. And today we look a little bit into the element of earth. Because the sense of touch somehow, now really meets the impenetrable. Which hides, or let us not just, where I am, you cannot be. That's the principle of the matter somehow. You see that the basic principle, how lightness and gravity merge into each other in a human way, is that they form a sort of middle. And the circle around it represents that we ourselves now have to care for this balance. And with the element of water, you can say these elements merge in a just perfect way, equilibrium. The triangle of gravity turns around and stands on its point, starts already to become mobile. And the triangle of light, the yellow one, turns the other way around and makes itself open to gravity, understanding this principle. And that creates a very specific equilibrium which flowing water has. And the triangle of that, when the triangles mix in such it's a symbolized way, in such a way that they just penetrate each other but stay themselves, then they become pretty explosive. And the fire, there's mobility which lives in fires, very agile, very also full of movement, and transformation comes about out of this, but also death. And when you look at in the element of air, those triangles merge, then you can say the light forces dominate, they tear the gravity forces along, like the wind blows us here and there. And when you now look at the forces of the earth element, then you can say the gravity triangle just dominates. I am there and it's only me. And the light is around it. So the sun shines on the mountains, but when you walk into a cave, it's dark. There's no light, except you have crystals, but they are light in a very specific way. They took it into the substance, they express it. So light can be in it, but the normal state is light has to stay out. But around it, the mountains shine in the sunshine, the snow on it, it's so beautiful. Everything you see, in the light.